guess if you get up around here, you have to be useful.
Are they,
Can you feed them, please?
Audrey, it's not
were they
food.
flying around?
No.
What were they doing?
Oh.
They're almost the
No.
size of ostriches, but they can fly.
That's too harsh for a little baby.
Yeah.
Well, it's too harsh for an old dad.
And so, did you see any other birds besides the Sandhill Cranes, or did you only
He was
see?
just telling all about that. Did you miss it?
Again? Yeah, I missed it.
Oh.
I missed it.
We saw sandhill cranes and burrowing owls and raptors, owls and eagles and hawks, and I saw the golden eagle.
Wow.
He was so
Wow.
heavy and his claws were about that long. That's long.
Yeah, it is.
With just one claw.
That's how come they pick up rabbits.
Do they?
And then she had to wear really, really thick gloves so the claws didn't hurt her. And the golden eagle was so heavy that she had to use a stick to help her hold it.
Wow. Too heavy for her arm, huh? Too heavy for her arm.
Yeah, she held it on
Okay, what do you say? Would you like some more?
That's really cool.
It's too much food for him. I don't know where it goes. It
I don't
goes
know
right
where it
into
goes
his
either.
boobs and his thighs.
And his cheek. Look at his cheek.
There's his chin. When it goes like this, it's got
He's
three.
got a triple chin.
I don't know, man breasts. And then this happens in between
So-
bites. He looks so complacent when he's eating.
Keep it going.
Orin, tell Jade about the tour. She missed the part about the tour. Stop yelling at him, please.
We went on a tour, a kind of school bus that takes you places even
Alex.
if you don't go to school on it. And you can see burrowing owls and
George,
You weren't getting close
and
enough to his
sandhill
face. You couldn't bring it over.
cranes.
What do the Sandhill Cranes look like?
they had something on their head, like red or something?
Yeah, plain red on the top of their head. Plain red. And then they're almost the size of ostriches, I think.
Yeah? That's pretty big.
But they can fly.
And ostriches can't.
No.
Why not?
Well, because their wings are really, really tiny.
Is that why?
And their brains are even smaller.
But they've got this big butt.
What about the projects you did with the Girl Scouts?
What Girl Scouts?
Orin,
When were you with the Girl Scouts?
Did they have any Thin Mints?
no. At the Sandhill Crane Festival, what were the projects that you got to do?
We got to make a fish on the end of the fishing pole that I pretended that the fish on the end was a bait and it was pink and orange.
Yeah. What else did you make with? You made something fancy with pretzels.
I made an owl with out of pretzels.
Yeah, and Cheerios, right?
What kind of owl was it?
Maybe
Pretzel
maybe it
owl.
was
That
a
was for the whole
burrowing owl.
family.
It was a pretzel owl.
I would have
Was
never
an
believed that would all
owl
fit in here.
like to eat pretzels, so it was made out of pretzels.
He's screaming for
How
more.
big is his stomach? He must be all hollow inside.
He's a good eater.
Go into his boobs and his thighs.
So if
You have baby boobs.
you eat too much, you'll probably stop breathing. Don't eat too much.
Who told you that?
Joking.
I made it up.
Oh, okay. Just wondered who'd been putting that idea
I don't
in
think
there.
he learned that in school,
No.
but he does go to school.
So was the Sandhill Crane Festival fun? I'm glad that you went.
And I also made a little big puppet, and it looked like a frog, and its mouth could open, and it had a long tongue, and at the end of the crow tongue was a fly.
And you could open and close his mouth.
Mhm.
And you didn't want to do the projects at first, did you?
Yeah. But then I noticed it was fun. I only got one prize, even though I got thing that's gone now. That wasn't a prize.
What kind of prize did you get?
It was just a blue goose that every time you looked at it, it reminded you about all the parks.
That sounds like a nice prize.
And did you get a present to come home with for yourself?
Yeah. For who?
For yourself? Something that was a stuffed animal present?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it was a brown Sandhill Crane, and it was a red head, just like a real one.
And what did you? And you got something for someone else too, didn't you?
What is it? What was it?
Orin.
Orin.
I heard that you saw a dinosaur or something like that.
Dinosaur.
Yeah, you and Val saw a dinosaur.
Oh, way.
Oh. When you were driving home, do you remember looking out your window and being very interested in something you saw out the window?
What was it?
It was a irrigation.
Yeah.
The sprinklers.
Oh.
Wait till you swallowed.
This performance.
They were giant sprinklers.
Yeah.
Yeah, on a little sort of a book, they showed a picture of the giant sprinklers sprinkling. They were probably bigger than normal sprinklers.
Right. Because they were for farmland.
Huh?
Because they were for farmland.
Yeah.
And what did Val think they looked like?
Long dinosaur tails.
And what did you think they looked like?
Giant sprinklers.
Are you enjoying your corn? Are you enjoying your corn?
Yeah, easy to pick it up with that.
Thanks, Joyce. Orin, you can. Orin,
I hear you.
you can use the fork to scrape the corn onto your